Hello and welcome to another video from oorail. In this video we're taking a quick look at the Bachmann Class 47 in two-tone BR green. The running number for this is 1764 and it's a very nice model indeed. Has directional lighting, looks like it has sprung buffers and NAM couplings. We picked this particular item up off of eBay. It's a brand new model, so it worked pretty much out of the box. It also has a driver at the number one end, and which is up there by the fans. I'm actually running it backwards here. I'm just finished running it in. So it's a really nice model. So we'll do the usual pan around as well as the speed tests, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so here we have the Class 47. We're going to do the usual pan around in close detail. One thing you'll notice with this particular loco is that it has directional lighting. It has the tail lighting in red and then the illuminated head code in the opposite direction. This particular model from Bachmann has a switch in the center bogie and the underneath that allows you to turn the tail lights on and off. So we've seen this feature adding cap lights as well in the switch in the Class 37. So this particular Class 47 has the same switch just for the tail lights. It's in a really nice condition, this particular model, and so I'm quite pleased with it. So the detail on it is pretty good. Haven't put any of the extra detailing that came with it on, although there wasn't a whole lot of extra detailing that came with it. So we'll do the usual pan around, so you can see both ends of the loco as well as the sides and the roof, and then we'll do the usual speed test and wrap up the review. You can see there it includes a driver. Okay, so next we're going to do the usual speed test. The speed test is going to be done in just a few different stages. This time we're using the Bachmann DC controller, and we'll run the speed test at as slow as it will possibly go in both directions, 25% in both directions, 50% in both directions, 75% in both directions, and then 100% in both directions. So one other thing we're going to do with the speed test is starting with this particular review and going forward, we're going to do the speed test from the same location. We're going to use the front of the loco against this particular arch on the wall here, and then we'll do it in both directions, and that way people can gauge the speed and so on from the videos. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Bachmann Class 47 in two-tone Bior green with full yellow ends. It also has a 4-digit head code that's illuminated. The running number for this model is 1764, and the Bachmann product code is 32801, and is also DCC ready. However, there's no indication of what kind of DCC pin it is. If I find that out, I'll stick it on the scroll of the video, or I'll put it in the comments. So I hope you enjoy this review, and until next time.